So what I want to show you guys today is a very simple, effective method of removing nicotine tar from walls. So you'll see a lot of different information online about what the most effective solution is for getting nicotine tar off walls. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out the best, and honestly I just used what I had around the place. Lots of different cleaning solutions out there you can use. This is the guy I'm going to be showing you guys today, the Zep, and it's just the one that I had sitting around, big bottle from another job. I decided to give that a try. I also got some TSP here that's recommended for really tough spots. Where you're having trouble even with any other kind of cleaner, but you got to be careful with that stuff. It's very heavy duty, very corrosive. Wear gloves while you're doing all this stuff. Also got a cleaning bucket with some extra rags. We've got this really cool, I picked this up and I love this thing already. It's kind of like a drill. You just put that on and boy does that make the job easy right there. You can also just buy attachments for a regular drill that you can put in if you don't want to buy that whole stand. Now this guy came free with that cleaner. It's basically a glorified spray bottle. So you want a spray bottle. You don't need something that fancy, obviously. All right, let's get to work on our cleaning product. So I'm going to show you how this works. Super simple DIY nicotine tar removal. So first take your spray bottle, get some of that cleaner up on the ceiling, pre-treat it. Let that sit. Scrub brush, anything if you want to get crazy, buy yourself one of these. But otherwise, any kind of scouring pads will work for this. But I'm gonna use this guy. Let's see how it works. Alright, so we've loosened it up now. All we need to do is get a bucket with clean rag, rinse that out with good clean water. Come over here and get ready. See, just kind of pushed around all that nicotine tar right now. This is going to take it right off. Now, each time this is important. Once you scrub out a little area, take your rag, rinse it out in some water. Because otherwise, all you're doing is pushing around all that nicotine tar back onto the walls. Now, as you can see, that looks like fresh wall. We don't even need to paint now. Good stuff. All right, you guys got questions? Leave it in the comments. See ya.